YouTube Poop.
What are we sewing, Grandpa?
Nothing!
Oh, I love pickle.
Rick!
Will we make anything out of the wheat and corn?
No!
We'll be using mold.
We're all finished.
We're ready to sauce. Clover?
I love pickle.
Rick!
I'll need a lot of cocaine today.
Grandpa, why do you need cocaine?
Weed is a necessary part of any cocaine operation.
Jack.
Interrogation. Can you please explain to us how you make pickle?
Steve.
We're excited to try your tasty pickle.
Rick!
Lower, lower, slow.
It's time to harvest the corn.
Sus.
What? Tornado! Speak up! Tornado!
Bill.
Push! Push!
So, can you tell us how the corn is processed?
The corn leaves and the cobs will be used as animal feed.
Grandpa!
The silo is on fire.
Next week is harvest time.
Sauce, Play-Doh,
Your pickle,
Rick!
weed, and cocaine have arrived. Thanks to farmers like us, there is food on your food.